If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for information on the fuel functions in your vehicle. Located in the instrument cluster, this gauge indicates the approximate fuel level in the tank. This indicator comes on when the fuel level is low. Refuel as soon as practical. You'll see an arrow next to the fuel pump icon that indicates on which side of your vehicle the fuel filler door is located. Push the left side of the fuel filler door to open. The fuel tank is not equipped with a cap. Slowly insert the fuel pump nozzle into the opening. When it is removed, the opening will be sealed. Close the fuel filler door. If you need to refuel from a portable fuel container, use the funnel located under the luggage board. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.